there, Dori Soukup here, founder of InSPAration Management, here with another question of the week. This week's question came to us from Mary in Connecticut. Mary's asking, there are so many different skincare products. How do you know which product to use, and which one do you normally recommend to your clients? That's a very nice question, Mary. Thank you so much for asking. Actually, skincare products, there are literally thousands of them. You're absolutely right. Like, how do you know which one to choose? And there are many good ones, really, so it all depends. Now, if you've already been in business for a while and you want to refresh your menu or your boutique area, then you should definitely look into a couple of different brands that I really like. Now, it depends on whether you're a Medi Spa or whether you are a day spa. That also makes a difference on which brand. The other thing you want to look into is to make sure that that particular brand is not oversaturated in your area. So I would go on Google and try to look around and see what everybody else is using, not so you can use the same thing, so you could use something totally different, because you really want to be different. So do your homework, check out and see what other spas or Medi Spas in your area are actually using to make sure that you are going to be choosing something that is different. Now, another important thing you should look for when you're choosing a brand is the type of support that they can actually offer you. What kind of education do they provide? Do they have training for your team? In case one team member leaves you, are they going to come and train the new team members? Do they offer you samples? Do they contribute to your events? I mean, it's not just about choosing the product line, it's about choosing a good partner, because they need to be there to support you. They need to come and help you work the events, give away products, give you images and branding information so you can push it out to your database and on your social media so you can promote the brand and make more sales. You want to be able to sell the product online. So there are so many things that really go into choosing the right partner for yourself. There are several brands that I really love. One of the ones I'm using currently actually is NeoStrata. I met them at an event, and I just totally, they gave me some products when I was there. I was there speaking actually, and their one of their main leaders was there at the event. So I met Barbara while I was speaking at an event, and she gave me some of their products, and I have to tell you, I absolutely fell in love. They have some great products. They're actually part of the Johnson & Johnson company, and not only did I fall in love with their products, but I'm also helping their partners now to make sure that they are selling a lot of products, so it works very well. And then the other thing people ask me sometimes is, should we do a private label? Well, I mean, a private label is okay, but it's not going to give you all the support and the partnership benefits that I just mentioned a few minutes ago. So if you don't care about any of that support, then, and you have the time to invest in creating a private label, then you might want to look into it. But in the meantime, I think it's much easier to generate a lot of retail sales by having a good partner like NeoStrata, for example, or any of the other brands that are in your area that are also good for you. But that's my answer for you. Hope that that was helpful. If you need other recommendations, please give us a call and we'll be more than happy to help. So if you have a question, make sure you ask. Send it to Dori at InSPArationManagement.com so we can give you the answers you're looking for. Until next time, stay inspired.